Hi students. Previous video you have learnt activity 2. In second activity you have learned some ingredients common for different food items. But did you think about where do these ingredients come from? It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. Means some food items and which ingredients needed to prepare food items that we have seen in table 1.2. But can you tell sources of ingredients which we use to prepare food items? Now some food item sources easily we can tell because we know that, we are familiar with that. So easily you can tell the sources of some of the ingredients. Now for example, fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals that you have known. Where do they come from? Of course, they come from plants. Okay, tell me, what are the sources of rice or wheat? Maybe you have know about it. The sources of rice and wheat are plants. But have you seen paddy or wheat fields? Means from paddy fields we get a rice and wheat fields we get a wheat. But have you seen how arrangement of these plants? So if you have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants. Now in your book it is given. So you just see it. Okay, next food items like milk, eggs and meat. Do you know they which come from animals? Means milk, eggs and meat. Those food items also familiar with you and you have know that they come from animals. To understand this, we take up activity 3. So, look here student. Now, we will see activity 3. Let us take the food items listed earlier and try to find out where they come from. The ingredients and their sources. Let us take the food items listed earlier. Means in table 1.2 we listed their food items and ingredients which needed to prepare these food items. So we have to try to find out from where these food items or ingredients come from. So we have to find out the ingredients and their sources. Some examples are shown in table 1.3. Table 1.3, it is given in your book. So in that 3 examples are given and which ingredients needed to prepare these food items, that also given. Now you have to fill in the blanks in table 1.3 and add more examples to this list. So third column sources, so it is empty. You have to fill that sources. Ingredients, what is sources, that you have to find out and you have to complete it. So we will see table 1.3. So look here, table 1.3. What is given in that? Ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. What is given? Ingredients used to prepare food items and sources of that ingredients. If you observe, you came to know that there are 3 columns. In first column, food items given. In second column, ingredients which used to prepare food item, and third column, sources of these ingredients. So first food item, we here they written idli. Now which ingredients use? Rice. Now for rice, what is sources of rice? Plant. So we know that rice ingredients we get from plants. So plant is the source of rice. Next ingredient is urad dal. So that is also we know that dal means pulses, that also we get from plants. So plant is the sources of urad dal. Now next, salt. Salt, where do they come from? We know that salt is prepared from sea water by evaporation process. So sources of salt is sea water. Next is water. We use water for drinking and cooking and different our activity. That we use groundwater, which we remove from pump or motor, and government provide us water through a tap. So sources of water is groundwater. Next food item is chicken curry. Now to prepare this chicken curry, which ingredient use? Chicken. So we know that chicken means cock or hen. So sources of chicken is animal. Next ingredient we use to prepare chicken curry is spices. So these spices also include turmeric, clove. So these spices also we are getting from plant. So plant is the sources of spices. Third ingredients used to prepare chicken curry is oil or ghee. Now we know that some oil come from plant and some come from animal. Means for example coconut oil, mustard oil, peanut oil, soybean oil, that come from plant. And ghee it is prepared from milk, and we know that milk we get from animal. So oil, sources of oil is plant and sources of ghee is animal. Next, ingredients use is water. So first also we know that sources of water is ground water. Next food item is kheer. Now which ingredients used to prepare kheer? Milk, rice and sugar. Now what is the sources of milk? So we know that milk we are getting from animals. So animal is the sources of milk. Now next rice. So first also I explain the plant is the sources of rice. And sugar. Sugar, how we get sugar? We get sugar from sugarcane, and sugarcane is a plant. So plant is the sources of sugar. Now after this completion of activity 3, what we conclude from activity 3? What is our conclusion? Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains and cereals. Now grains and cereals means what include that grains and cereals? Wheat, rice, maize, pulses. It is including in grain and cereals. So we know that these are getting from plants. Also vegetables. Different types of vegetables, brinjal, potato, bottle gourd, so many vegetables which daily we use. That is also sources of plant. Fruit also we are getting from plants. So plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. And what is our second conclusion? Animals provide us with milk, meat products and eggs. Milk and meat, also milk product. Now in milk product include butter, cream, cheese, curd, which prepared from milk. So we know that milk we get from cow, goats, buffaloes. Means cows, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. And all over the world, milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd are used. So you find out another example which gives us milk. So understood? Our conclusion from this activity: plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits, and animals provide us with milk, meat, milk products and eggs. So you have to complete table 1.3 and write in your notebook. So understood everyone?